A side hustle, in the broadest sense, is whatever you do to increase your income while doing your day job. Technically, this might refer to work performed for side gig applications like TaskRabbit, Uber, or Airbnb. However, not every side business is created equally. Seasonally, part-time employment might be advantageous, but in the slower months, fewer hours might also mean fewer resources. In a pinch, gig apps like Uber may be useful for earning a little extra money. However, the payment mechanisms used by these services are frequently intended to compensate users as little as possible for their services. To know which is the most profitable online side hustle today, continue watching the video. For more interesting content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Finance Explained. And also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new videos are posted. Today, we're going to talk about a highly profitable side business that no one else is talking about, one that you can do from the comfort of your own home without spending any money or needing any special skills. It's called Google to Purchase, and some people use it to generate as much as $76,000 in passive income annually. The large amount of traffic to this website, making sense of sense, is only approximately 81,000 views per month. Despite this low volume of traffic, she's still able to earn $750,000 annually. The success is the result of only one side job. What is there to buy from Google? What specifically is Google looking to purchase? On average, more than 99,000 searches are made on Google every second, and at least half of those searches are for products. The greatest gaming seats or the best water bottles for trekking might be examples of this. These are only a few instances, but as you can see, even a niche search such as best boots for hiking receives over 27,000 monthly searches. About 40,000 searches for best shares for gaming are made each month, and all of these searches have high potential for financial gain. For instance, each time you've used Google to look for a specific item, such as a new external hard drive, you've just typed "best external hard drive" into the search bar. Next, you go on a few websites, browse all the available hard disks, and maybe you choose to click on the Amazon link for this particular hard drive. This then directs you to the Amazon page where you can buy the merchandise. Now, this is something that no one else considers, except for the selected few who are writing these product review articles, because you used the website's Amazon link to make your purchase. The sale will result in a commission for the website. They are commissioned for doing this, and this particular website is what we like to refer to as the Google to Purchase middleman. To rank their articles on Google, they develop these logistical-style product evaluations and employ certain strategies. They may earn tens of thousands, if not millions of dollars each month. This side business is literally scalable, practically cost-free, and can be done from the comfort of your bed or, if you prefer, from a beach chair. This is the exact same strategy that websites like NerdWallet use to generate over $538 million in revenue annually. You could also do it. Most people aren't even aware that this amazing business model even exists, so more people need to use it. So choosing a niche is the first step we must take in order to get started. For instance, you could write listicle product reviews about various outdoor-related products like those you see online, or you can concentrate on various tech and gadgets, or you can go as broad as you can, like the Wirecutter does, and discuss everything from home and garden to fashionably appropriate topics. There isn't really a wrong way to approach this. To properly establish yourself in a niche, it could be preferable to start off by concentrating on a single product category. For instance, the website Switchback Travel now solely posts logistical product evaluations of outdoor goods. There are still, of course, a huge variety of items that they may discuss. As you can see, they offer articles on anything from the finest camping coolers to the greatest ski trousers, all of which are related to the great outdoors. This indicates that if you were to look up, for instance, best water bottles for hiking, you would notice that Switchback Travel is among the top results and receives close to 7.5 million visitors per month. They are undoubtedly generating well over 6 figures a month with the type of traffic they get. This is just one example of how Google is now acting as a middleman for the purchase of outdoor goods. Instead, what we're going to do is to go to ChatGPT and ask the AI for suggestions in several niches. You can begin developing these logistical product evaluations by just asking the AI for suggestions for product review websites. As you can see, the AI will begin to compose a response, giving you a huge list of 20 distinct options from which to choose. Switchback Travel specializes in reviewing outdoor equipment, so for this particular video, we're going to stick with kitchen appliances. After choosing your niche and creating your website, it's time to actually build your website. The only thing you need to get started is website hosting, and Hostinger is the best option for doing so at an incredibly low cost. Before we move on, for more content like this, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new videos are posted. Some people don't want to put much effort into producing lengthy posts. The best thing about Survey Junkie is that it offers a fantastic platform for giving feedback and evaluations while saving time. Using their interest as a basis, users create profiles. The website then distributes brief questionnaires to customers to match them with questions. You can receive incentives in the form of virtual points by responding to surveys. These points may be exchanged for e-gift cards or PayPal. Any devoted online reviewer will tell you to look for a job at Swagbucks if you ask them where to go. A trustworthy reward service that provides customers with several earnings options is Swagbucks. With Swagbucks, you may get compensated for completing surveys and sharing your thoughts on goods and services. Testing things and writing reviews are both compensated opportunities. It's enjoyable, simple, and dependable. While using Swagbucks, you may earn additional cash by playing games and conducting internet research. Visit Swagbucks and take a look around to see if it's worthwhile. Most people are familiar with Amazon and the wide range of goods and services it offers. You may not be aware that writing product reviews for Amazon can earn you money. Getting paid to write Amazon reviews may be a terrific way to earn some extra money, whether you're an experienced reviewer or you're just getting started. You can make anywhere from a few bucks per survey to several $100s per survey, depending on the firm and the duration of the survey. On occasion, you may also accumulate points that can be exchanged for cost-free Amazon gift cards. It's challenging to write enough objective evaluations for various review websites. As compensation for a favorable review, they could provide cash or free merchandise. This might work in your favor if you want to become a freelance writer and make money. The best thing is that you don't have to be an experienced Amazon reviewer to write reviews for money. All you need to do is offer your honest, helpful opinion. They often offer you an outline for the Amazon product review once you accept the job. You will submit your review's draft to the blogger when you've finished writing it. You can find writing tasks on Upwork or Fiverr. There are jobs that pay by the word, by the hour, and by the article. By registering for the Amazon affiliate network known as Amazon Associates and starting to promote affiliate items, you can start your own blog by publishing a few product reviews for Amazon products on your website. The best thing is that you can evaluate any Amazon item, including services and digital as well as physical products. By enrolling in our Start Your Blog Bootcamp below, you can get started in the best possible way. It's a 7-day email course that will take you step by step through the process of starting a successful side business through blogging. One of the first things we do on Amazon when considering a purchase is to read the reviews. After all, hearing from those who have used the product before us can help us get an idea of what to expect. And with so many things on Amazon, it's useful to have some direction while choosing. That's all for today. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Also, express your valuable thoughts in the comment section below. Until then, bye! Also, spend some time watching other videos on the channel.